I spent 19 years working for Holden. Started fresh out of school as a 19-year-old and spent the last 10 years in management roles. Leaving Holden after 19 years, it was devastating. It's been a lifeline. It's given my family everything from a house to the Christmas parties that we used to come to. It's the friendship, the lifestyle, the brand and the company ran through my blood for 19 years. And to hear that come to an end and it was going to stop manufacturing in Australia and lose the skills that have been developed over 50 years was devastating. The opportunity now to move into a new industry and a growing industry and come back to the Holden site where all those people were based and apply those advanced manufacturing skills into sonnen and making sonnen a world-class manufacturer here in South Australia is a really exciting opportunity. South Australia, I believe, is at the forefront of renewable energy. We have a great infrastructure in place already with solar panels and inverters on houses. And I think the next natural step is actually to put batteries onto houses to harness that energy. With sonnen, we have the capability to produce a virtual power plant in South Australia, creating energy independence. I'm really excited about the future that sonnen's going to provide for the state and my family. We're manufacturing again, and to grow a new team, start from the ground up, build a great culture, build a great company, can't wait to get started.